Would you eat this? I, I wouldn't either. Hey folks, Simply Think John here. Let's talk a little bit about purees. This is what was served as a puree in a nursing home recently around here. One of the people here at Simply Think went there and saw this and took the photo for me and brought it back and said, wow, look at this. So one of the things about iddsi is that it's always been about making sure that we have the right consistencies and that we agree on the testing methods for each level of the diet. These probably are too runny for puree. I mean, I'm just guessing based on how they've run out on the plate there. They're going to be too runny. So they're more liquidized than they are level 4. But secondly, let's talk about appearance. I mean, part of everything that I do and part of the reason I started this channel, part of the reason why I wrote a cookbook on how to make pureed foods and things like that is because I wouldn't eat stuff like this. We've come across a poster presentation from Rush University that says, look, if you just shape the food, if you make it so that it's not a blob, that it's not a plop and drop, that it's a rectangle, it's a square, it's something that's shaped. It doesn't even have to be formed beautifully. People eat 500 calories more per day. These are people who we want to eat more. I mean, they're obviously sick. They obviously need the calories. 500 more calories just for making food that you can shape and form, not the old plop and drop like you have here. How do you shape things? You can just use cups. You can use other things you have. Or you can buy silicone food forms and you can shape food with that. Or we even created a handled food form for making poultry breasts. There's lots of ways once you get your mind around it. But nobody wants to eat 3 different kind of indistinguishable blobs. At least these have different colors. I've seen worse. That's the whole point, people. We want to make food that looks okay, that looks visually appealing, that will help people eat more. And that's the whole point, isn't it? Let's eat more. Thanks. Please like and follow for more great information on texture modified foods. That's some good stuff. Wow. Too bad I had a nice big lunch already.